Hello guys, this is Staffan Liebeck from the head office of Socium here in Bangkok. I want to shout out to all of you leaders around the world. Now, we are on December. Now, right now, we are proceeding Christmas. It is right now when it will matter the most in the transition over to the next level, as you know. It is right now when we are gearing up towards the 2nd of 2nd with the 1-year celebration of the concept here in Bangkok where you need to be. But not only that, I want you to think about it. This next month and a little bit more will be where you make the most difference. Why? It is when people are slowing down towards holidays, when people are slowing down in an evolving thing and thinking, okay, where is it going? You know, everything is maybe not perfect in the transition and so on. That is when you, as a leader, will make your separation from the normal people. It is then when you can take the step up and go forward and get people following you. Believe me, most people are followers. If you want to build a business as a leader, you need to lead. You will show and set the pace for the pace over Christmas, over New Year, and towards the 2nd of 2nd. The tickets are being launched this week. Now the question is, there is only 1,300 tickets for sale, okay? They will sell out very fast. My question to you is, how many people will you put sitting there? Yes, of course, you need to go yourself. But do you think that it will make a difference with looking back on what we did on every single company event? We are always getting more value to do than you are actually thinking that you will get. We are always over-delivering, and this will be also this time. You can't experience that from not being there. You have to be there, and you have to have your team with you. 1, 2, 20, 200, you decide. If you're just starting today with your business, you can actually sit down 50 people easily. Yes, you can. From experience of 19 years, I know that you can. Even if you never was in network before, with the right help, ask your upline, ask the sponsor that is above you to really take the responsibility, okay, we call it like that, responsibility to help you reach your goals. Now, set your goal, make sure that you can reserve and secure your seats for the Thailand event on the 2nd of 2nd. And yes, put in the work, do the action, thought, feeling, action, result. And you will see what will happen towards the 2nd quarter of 2020, towards the summer. And yes, we are already planning 2021. This is a long-term strategy, a long-term project, not a hype, rocket up and splash down. No, we know where we're going. The question is, do you know where you're going with us? Set your goal, get working, and see you soon. And once again, this is Staffan Liebeck from Bangkok, the Socium headquarters here in Bangkok. Love you guys. See you soon. Ciao.